And now it's time for another Wellness 101. How to Meditate for Beginners, presented by St. Luke's University Health Network. Life can certainly be stressful sometimes, can it, my man? Did you know that meditation can help you relieve stress? Meditation is the habitual process of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. Look, I'm not asking you to be some sort of meta super guru, but there are actually plenty of advantages to meditation that make it worth a shot. Some of these advantages include enhanced self-awareness, improved focus, better sleep, pain control, and reduced stress. Sound beneficial to you? Good, because we've got 5 steps to help you get started. Step 1. Wear comfortable clothing. In order to keep your mind calm and focused, avoid wearing tight or restrictive clothing which can make you physically uncomfortable. Instead, consider loose-fitting clothing and remove your shoes for added comfort. Step 2. Find a quiet environment. Getting your brain to focus can be difficult enough without external distractions like TVs, phones, or computers. So it's best to find a quiet, peaceful environment to meditate in. You don't need a ton of room, but you're looking for a spot where you'll be uninterrupted for the duration of your meditation. Step 3. Stretch. Meditation requires sitting for long periods of time, so it's a good idea to consider some light stretching before you begin to help your body relax and keep your mind focused on the task at hand. Step 4. Sit on the floor. Have a seat on the floor with your legs crossed and your hands lying loosely in your lap. If the floor is too hard, it may be more comfortable with a cushion or pillow. Be sure to sit up straight. Try to imagine a rope that's pulled from the top of your head that prevents you from slouching. Technically, you can meditate in almost any position, sitting, standing, or lying down. The reason we suggest sitting as opposed to lying down is that most beginners tend to fall asleep lying down because they're too relaxed. Step 5. Clear your mind. This step is easier said than done as our minds can be as cluttered as a New York City street. So how do you drown out all that noise? Start by closing your eyes and simply focusing on your breath. Make no attempt to change your breathing in any way, just breathe as you normally would. When your thoughts start to wander, and they will, simply focus on your breath again. Try focusing on your breathing for as long as you can. Folks, meditation can be a difficult skill when you're first starting out, but the benefits are tremendous. Try meditating for just 1 minute a day. And if you can sit that long without distraction, bump it up to 2 minutes, and so on. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share to all who could use a little mellow in their life. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness saying namaste, and follow the steps to a healthier you.